Hi YouTube family, it's Molly, and today I'm here for a very quick video. I'm going to review the Lowrey's Bacon Curls Microwave Pork Rinds. So this is what they look like. I already opened some up. Yeah, microwave pork rinds. I'm kind of excited, but the smell is not making me excited, let's be honest. Yeah, I haven't tried these yet, so I guess I'm going to try one before I give you a review. There's definitely some different looking ones in here. Some are like, oops, that one's going on the floor. This is going to be an interesting video. I'm throwing pork rinds on the floor. Yeah, so there's some big fluffy ones. There's some, I burnt the popcorn, I burnt the pork rind, kind of like I burned my popcorn. So there's probably some skill involved in, learning to make these properly, but they're light and fluffy. They're warm because I just made them. They're okay. These are just, the plain ones. I think they have, a hot and spicy. Maybe I will try that, because they're good for, a plain pork rind. They're really fluffy, and they have a good flavor to them, but, there's no flavoring on these ones, at least. So I might try the hot and spicy ones, because that's, I normally eat the max picante ones that have a decent kick to them. So I do like spicy things. There may be some skill involved, though, with these. But I know this bag didn't rotate very well in my tiny college apartment microwave. So ignore the burnt ones. Maybe you'll do better in a real person-sized microwave. But yeah, they're okay. They're not the greatest thing in the world, but it's kind of nice to have them warm. And maybe I'll try the hot and spicy ones and they'll be better. So yeah, big, fluffy, fresh pork rinds in the microwave. I guess try them out and see what you think. They're not bad. I'll probably buy them again. So that's all for today. I gotta go do homework. I'll see you all soon. Have a great week, guys.